Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. So here we've got a Mercedes Sprinter 2018 where we've taken out the radio, fitted a reverse camera and upgraded the screen to a Kenwood one. So I'll just show you what it looks like inside the vehicle. So now we're inside the van. You can see the radio is turned on. This particular model of this radio is a Kenwood DMX7525DABS. So as well as being an AM/FM radio with DAB+, this also has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you don't have to have your phone plugged in to get your Google Maps up, your Spotify, that sort of thing. So with it being a DAB radio, we've had to fit a DAB aerial, which is just up there on the screen. We've used a Kenwood aerial because they're neat and tidy, quite compact. So it's not too obtrusive in the corner of your window. With this being a motorhome, they are sometimes a bit tricky with the mic placement, but we've managed to get that in front of the blinds there, so that's not a problem at all. Also, we have retained the steering wheel control functionality, so I can turn the volume up and down, answer the phones, put the phone down. I can do that all off the steering wheel, like you would have been able to with the original radio. We've also fitted to this van a Kenwood CMOS 230 reverse camera. So I'm just going to pop that into reverse. So that's the image you've got. It gives you a good perspective, you know how close you are to something. It's a long vehicle and it's got a conversion in the back. It is a motorhome, so it's hard to see through the back. This just gives a visual aid of how far close up to something when you're trying to park or in traffic. So I'm going to walk to the back of the vehicle now and show you what it looks like, how we've mounted it. Right, so now I'm at the back of the vehicle. You can see there, hanging down is a Kenwood CMOS 230 reverse camera. It is adjustable, so you can angle that upwards or downwards depending on where you want it to see. But we've got that set so it looks backwards, but it can just see the tow bar, so you've got a good perspective of how far or close you are to something. So if you're interested in something like this for your Sprinter, please give us a call at Source on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.